We now interrupt your regularly scheduled program to bring you a message from your supreme galactic overlord, Commodore Shaboo. Greetings, puny Earthlings. Your supreme galactic overlord, Commodore Shaboo here, letting you know that I will be appearing at the North Neptunian Mall this Saturday afternoon from 2:30 to 4 p.m. We will be signing autographs and plotting global annihilation. Look for us at the East Fountain entrance, nearest the food court. We will be giving away 5, count them, 5 genuine little Commodore decoder rings to the first 5 lucky Shaboo fans. So come early and stay late. And as always, don't forget to pick up a few cans of our brand new Shaboo stew at your local grocer's. I love that zesty goo. Shaboo stew. And now, puny Earthlings, we go back to your previously scheduled program already in progress. And don't forget, global annihilation.